Hey guys, this is Misty 2001,
And this is FC7.
and today we're going to make kale chips in the air fryer. It's actually a really easy recipe. It's only about 3 or 4 ingredients. So you are going to need a bunch of kale, some sort of oil. I used sesame oil for this recipe, and whatever seasonings you'd like to make. So then you're going to preheat your air fryer to 390 for approximately 3 minutes. After doing that, you're going to want to take the stems off of the kale leaves. I just kind of used my hands to do this, but I found that the best way to do it is using a scissors.
We'll have to try that next time.
Yeah. Actually, I think we have a bunch of kale in the refrigerator.
Oh. That'll be nice. We should try that then.
Yeah. So then you use about 2 tablespoons of oil. Sesame oil smells really, really good. I do recommend trying that.
So there was some other kind of oil you could use too?
Yeah, you can also use olive oil.
Oh, that's right. The time before this, you made it with olive oil.
Yeah. But as I said, sesame oil makes everything smell really good. So then you just kind of mix it all together, making sure the oil is all kind of distributed on the kale leaves. Place your kale leaves inside the air fryer. You will hear a sizzle, and that's kind of actually my favorite part.
Yeah. That is kind of neat.
So then you're going to want to set the air fryer for 390 for approximately 3 minutes.
And 3 minutes later.
Yep. You should have beautiful kale. Look at that steam. So then they will be all crispy. That crunch is the best part too. I also did want to mention, if you don't use sesame oil, you are going to probably want to use like salt and pepper or whatever kind of seasoning you want, because olive oil doesn't give off much seasoning.
Alright, so that's pretty much the finished product. Yeah.
And they are really, really good. I'm not exactly sure how to store them, so I would imagine just store them in an airtight container for sitting on your counter for maybe a week.
So do they take the place of potato chips or something?
For me, they do, yeah.
Alright, well, I think I should just about do it for this video.
Yep.
Have a great day.
If you'd like to subscribe, comment, or whatever, feel free to do so. Have a great day, guys.